Assalamu alaikum. The definition of tajweed. We are repeating this word a lot, and tajweed. So what the meaning of tajweed? Some people they understand that tajweed mean you are reciting very slow, or maybe you are reciting like in different like celebrations, like the Qurra when they are reciting. But the word of tajweed, when we are saying he is very good in tajweed, or he is reading with a good tajweed, this means his recitation is very good, better in the rules of tajweed. So linguistically we are saying tajweed means betterment. So okay, so the past word, the past جود يجود, this is the present المضارع and الماضي, means to make it better, improve, to make it better. So how to recite the tajweed? You have to recite with the best way, and to recite with the perfect recitation, and you are mentioning all the articulation points, and you are reciting with very good recitation all the sounds of the letters and characteristics of the letters are exactly like Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And this science revealed after the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions. Okay, not in the time of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, because in the time of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, people they just used to recite with from mouth to mouth, from tongue to tongue. Okay, as Ibn Mas'ud one day, one of his students, he was reciting, and he was reciting with this way: إنما الصدقات للفقراء والمساكين. Then Ibn Mas'ud, he said to him, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he didn't recite this with this way. He said للفقراء. يعني Ibn Mas'ud, he taught the tabi'i with the way that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he recited to him with mad muttasil, with the lengthening mad, making 4 level or 5 level teaching inshallah in the future. But in tajweed, this improvements happen to the letters, improvements occurred to the sounds of the letters, and also the rules of النون الساكنة and the tanween, the rules of الميم الساكنة, the rules of الإدغام, the rules of المد, the rules of lengthening. All this is called tajweed, the science that we are learning to read the Quran with perfect way. And Ibn al-Jazari, rahmatullahi alayhi, Ibn al-Jazari, this is a person that he made the Ibn al-Jazariya, al-Jazariya, the poem of al-Jazariya. This is one of the main reference to all the scholars of the science of tajweed as a summary for the rules of tajweed. So all of us, we are learning from Ibn al-Jazari. And also, my dear brothers and sisters, he mentioned very important and highest statement to understand what the meaning of tajweed. He mentioned the best and the highest way to reach to level of tajweed, to get the ultimate correction and the best correction from reciting, okay, and exercising the tongue. How to exercise the tongue? When you are repeating the pronunciation and the articulation points with the best way received from tongue of the Prophet Muhammad through the chain, as we explained in the previous videos. So you have to receive this recitation from the expert mouth. So for example, if you are reciting by yourself and learn by yourself and watch by yourself, if you will watch by yourself and recite by yourself, this nowadays might be a practical way, because you are learning from tongue to tongue through the videos, as you are learning from my videos. And these videos are helping you because from tongue to tongue. But if you just recite by yourself, open the Mus'haf and recite by yourself, how you will learn the sounds of the letters? No any difference between Arabs and non-Arabs in this. So we have Arabs and non-Arabs, they must recite in front of the expert mouth, and the expert mouth, they have to recite in front of them. The expert teachers, they are explaining the tajweed with the perfect way and reciting to them with the perfect way. So for example, when you are reciting in front of someone and he said Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. You will recite with the same voice, with the same sounds. But when you will recite with the perfect way, as Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu and the expert mouth, so this will teach you with this way. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. So you will copy from me exactly. Okay, this is the tajweed that we are learning by riwayah, from my tongue to your tongue, from expert mouth to some students, and they will learn with this way. This is a perfect way to exercise your tongue, to make your tongue. For example, you are say ba, bab, bi, bu, qa, qa, qi, qu. So when you are practicing with this way, your tongue will start to be very strong. Ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha. Okay. Even if you don't know anything about the tajweed and take from expert tongue, you will learn, and you will learn. As we mentioned, if you would like to learn the perfect tajweed and perfect recitation from tongue to tongue, go to the Easy Quran Reading course in my YouTube channel. You will learn a lot. So the tajweed does not mean you are like reciting and changing your tongue and making like, and try to curving your mouth. And some people, they are saying Bismillahir Rahman. This is not the correct way, as Ibn Jazari he said, and crooking the jaw and nor vibrating the voice. Some people, they are reciting and making so much stretching for the stressed letters, and some of them, they are making like stretching with the Alhamdulillahi Rabbil, and they understand this is a correct way to recite. But when you are reciting, we are reciting from the mouth, expert mouth, from the ulama, from the scholars, and this will help us to reach to highest level. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be among those who will learn from the ulama. Ibn al-Jazari, he is the imam. So we all learn from him. Read this statement and try to understand what is the importance of learning tajweed. As we mentioned, the tajweed is improvements happen to your tongue and happen to your recitation when you will learn this. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be among those who will learn the Quran with perfect way. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.